Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will assist you in creating a wallpaper in the aesthetic style using Canva. Open Canva and customize the size according to your preference. Click on create new design. Click on the page background and select a warm cream color as the base. Navigate to the element section and search for tone paper. Select the pink variant and place it on the page. Duplicate the paper, rotate it, and adjust the size accordingly. Search for a vintage paper element. Choose elements according to your wallpaper theme. You may select whichever you prefer. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Add flowers elements to enhance the aesthetic appearance. Additionally, include a clock element for further visual interest. Search for a ribbon element, select your preferred style and place it on the canvas. Search for a grid pattern. and customize its color, reduce the transparency from 100 to 32, and adjust the size. Bring the clock and flower elements to the front by adjusting their layers. Click on upload and upload your chosen picture to the canvas. Resize as needed. Click on text and choose a text style. Type your desired text and change the font to Amsterdam. Place it at the top of the canvas and adjust the text color. Duplicate the text layer, rewrite it as stay focused, and change the font to Justice. If desired, animate your image, text, and elements according to your preference. A typing animation is recommended for the text. Once complete, download your finished wallpaper. You may now view the final result. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful in creating your own aesthetic wallpaper using Canva.